Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. I got a box for my health insurance. It's quite a big box, and a bunch of things came in this little carry case thing. And there are 2 hand sanitizers, a pen that has spray sanitizer on it, right there. A mask, right there, non-medical face mask. Some alcohol wipes. Let's see, there's 40 in there. And then a digital thermometer was all in that bag. And then this here is a Sherpa fleece lap blanket. I'm sorry, I'm not going to undo it because it's vacuum packed and it will sit nicely up on my shelf. I don't use lap blankets as much because it's just really literally like over your knees kind of thing. Um, but I'm gonna keep it vacuum packed in case I need it this winter. But it will sit better on my shelf if it stays in the vacuum packed. But yeah, it's a nice little fleece blanket. It's got their logo on it, of course. But yeah, that's what I got. It comes with, a little, big, huge box and tells you what's in it already before you even have to open it up. But yeah, I thought I'd just share with you what I got um, sent to me by my insurance company. All right, have a great day. Stay safe, and may God bless you to overflowing. Bye for now.